Good morning, friends. This meditation is for money. Welcome to Reiki Money Meditation. Close your eyes, take 2 3 deep breaths and relax. And sit in a corner where you will not be disturbed for next few minutes. Do not do this meditation while driving any kind of a vehicle. Take 2 3 nice deep breaths and relax. Allow your body to relax. Focus on your breathing. As you focus on your breathing, you feel very relaxed and calm. Allow the calmness to surround you and feel very relaxed. Keep on breathing in positive energy and breathe out all lack of abundance. Breathe out all the negative thoughts you might be having regarding money, abundance, and prosperity. As you listen to my voice, keep on going deeper and deeper into relaxation. Allow your whole body to be in a state of calmness and relaxation. And put aside all your worries, anxiety, and tensions in life regarding money. Let go of all the worries. And now think of Buddha in front of you. Surround yourself with good Buddha energies. And think of Buddha how he was a king, a very rich person, and he renounced all the luxuries of the world to become rich and powerful. He had the power to create anything he wanted to. And now you pray to Buddha energies to give you happiness, prosperity, money, abundance, and enlightenment. Relax, relax, relax. When you are relaxed, you become a creator of your own life. You can create anything that you want to create. In a deep state of relaxation, you become a rishi. You connect to the Brahma energies of the universe. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the God. So bow to the God within you. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the creator of my own life. And as you relax, become aware of your insecurities, your fears regarding money. What are the fears that you are having regarding money? What are the insecurities that you have around money? What are the jealousies that you have about others having money? What are the fears you have regarding money in future? What is the lack of abundance? And now, focus on where did you get those beliefs? Did you hear from someone? Did your parents tell you? Did your neighbors tell you? Did society tell you? Did your teachers at school talk about money negatively? Now see, feel, visualize a golden light coming from top of your head, going into your body and going to your solar chakra, the Manipur chakra situated above the navel, around the area of your stomach. It's yellow in color. And this golden light is going to the solar chakra, or the Manipur chakra as we call it. And your solar chakra is revolving with golden light. Your solar chakra is the chakra of power and money and abundance. See your solar chakra activated and increasing in size, shining, yellow and golden in color. This chakra is expanding and growing big, and the rays of golden color are coming out of it and going around you, connecting to all the abundance in the universe. This golden light is spreading all around you, bringing in abundance, bringing in more clients, bringing in more money, bringing in prosperity, abundance, and whatever you have wished for. This golden light is going to various clients and customers and luxuries of life. And as you see this golden light glowing, you are becoming richer and richer and richer. Allow yourself to focus on the golden light around you. Your life is shining bright in this golden light. Your life is filled with money, prosperity, and all the good things that you have ever wanted. You have attracted a wonderful good job. There's lot of money in your bank account, and you can see lot of gold around you. Your home is very big and luxurious. You have all the good clothes that you wish for. Your loved ones, your family, everybody has very good clothes. And you're living an extraordinary, luxurious, healthy, happy life. You're deeply satisfied with your life. You have entered a true Buddhahood. You are now Zorba the Buddha. Zorba the Buddha is the person who has all the luxuries, comforts, and prosperity in life, while he is spiritual, compassionate, and has all the qualities of the Buddha. You are doing good things to society with the money you have. You have so much of money, and you are excited about feeding people, contributing to them, because the money you have is so much that you would like to share it with others, with society, with people who are have-nots, because you have it. You are completely submerged in the abundance of the universe. This universe has limitless abundance, and you are the one who's receiving it, attracting it, enjoying it with happiness and joy. You are enjoying a fulfilling, happy life of abundance, prosperity, and love. You have a lot of love in your life. You have a lot of abundance in your life. Your life is complete within itself. You have everything that you ever wanted to in life. You are in a state of bliss, joy, and happiness with the abundance and prosperity you have. See, feel, visualize your home being filled with all the luxury items that you ever dreamt of. A luxury car, a luxury home, with lots of people taking care of your needs. And you are thankful to the universe, you're thankful to the Buddha energies, and you're thankful to yourself. Take 2-3 deep breaths and relax and thank all the good energies who have helped you achieve this abundance. Whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes, breathing deeply, and live this abundance throughout the day. Experience it in your emotions. The whole day, live the life of a luxury king or queen and be in the state of gratitude, happiness, and joy. Enjoy your whole day today. It is a wonderful, prosperous, loving day today. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Buddha. Go out and have fun. And if you wish to do Reiki workshops or money Reiki workshop with me, call me on my number 98111 42249. It's given in the description, my website, my number, and you can call us for any kind of support that you wish to. You can also become a Reiki trainer or a Reiki grandmaster with us. Thank you.